Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco, and Porvorim.
Action and solution is found on that, and we are satisfied as a group. We should not go ahead with cooperating with this election because life of a teacher, life of our staff, non-teaching staff is at stake, and we don't want to risk for such type of nonsensical behavior. And we are not against university, we are not against anybody, but we are against this tendency of such type of behavior. That thing has happened on Saturday. Immediately there should have been an action. There were police here. Lot of these incidents have happened in front of the police. आताचे नाव आम्ही घातलं नाही, शिशीर परब. He is a student. असं आम्ही ऐकलं.
hadn't seen something like this
चुकला होता त्याचे. म्हणजे
in front of me. Yeah. So that was one thing which was not good, not expected of any student. Another things are there. Another time he came and threatened me in my room while my officers were with me.
एकदा त्याची गाडी अडवली.
And then he blocked me here from entering my car when I was called by the vice chancellor.
NSUI म्हणटा ABVP विद्यापीठात दादागिरी करतात.
एक ABVPचो कार्यकर्ता हांगा येता आनी धमकयता. कोणाक धमकयता? DSWचे डायरेक्टराक धमकयता, भुरग्यांक धमकयता, दांडो घेवन भोंवता. सो ही जी आयडियोलॉजी आहा धमकोवपाची, ही जी आयडियोलॉजी आहा हेट्रेटाची, दीस इज इन द DNA ऑफ ABVP, दीस इज इन द DNA ऑफ RSS.